Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users face camera not working issue on Google Meet on laptop. Because of this, others cannot see you during meetings. This problem usually happens due to blocked browser permission. If you are facing the same issue, do not worry. I will show you how to allow camera permission in Google Meet step by step. First, open Chrome or any browser on your laptop. Now open the Google Meet website and join a meeting. Next, look at the left side of the website address bar. Click on the settings or lock icon beside the website link. Now tap on Site Settings. Here find the camera option. Tap on the drop-down menu next to Camera. Select Allow. After this, close the Settings tab. Refresh the Google Meet page. Rejoin the meeting if needed. Your camera should now work properly. That is how you allow camera permission in Google Meet on laptop. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Google Meet fixes and tutorials.